Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abu Bakr Bakhtiyar.
And my name is Muhammad Bakhtiyar.
Today we're here in the madrasa of Jamia Anwar Madina, present in the mosque of Amirul Mulk. Our madrasa is not only a madrasa, it's a school and more and everything else. It's a full package of the way to live. It is based on 2 floors.
A madrasa has a variety of classes such as Nazra Quran, Tajweed, Hifz, Ilm and much more.
We don't only teach the students the Quran, but also ilm and the way how to live.
The teachers here teaches the students how to live life according to Islam. They teaches them the Islam, the life, to how to live the life with the help of Hadith and Sunnah.
Our teachers are very hardworking as well as the students. They make the students thrive and learn. Our teachers work day and night for the knowledge of our students.
Normally, teachers only focus on the subject that it teaches, but in this madrasa, the teacher help build the characters of the students. They help them live life. They help them teach how to live life according to Sunnah and Islamic ways. They build the character and make them good humans.
Besides Tarjamatul Quran and Hifz, our teachers also teach ilm. As you all know, the hadith, ilm hasil karo khwat mein cheen kyun na jana pade. It means that gain knowledge, even if it means for you, even if the means are for you to go to China.
As Abu Bakr said that it is a hadith, Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that you have to earn ilm even though it takes you to go to China. Ilm is a very important aspect of life.
Ilm teaches you the way to live and the way to live according to the Sharia and Islam.
Now we are going to show you the students of the madrasa. That how they sit and how properly they are managed by the Qari Sahib. And we are going to also meet the principal, Qari Abdullah Madani of the madrasa, to get to know him and get to know that how the madrasa started and how did he started and build such a great madrasa. Now I'm here with the student of Hifz of this madrasa.
My name is Muhammad Asadullah Bakhtiyar Khan.
Yes, Asadullah, how has your experience been in this madrasa?
I've been from the start in this madrasa, and the Qari Sahibs are very good. They only not teaches you Quran, they teaches you the life, how to live with good peoples. They know you about bad peoples.
Yes, exactly. All the students here tell the same thing. They talk about the same thing, that the Qari Sahibs, the teachers here, they not only teaches you Quran but build your character. Yes, Asadullah, how has been your learning experience?
It's great, and when I joined the madrasa, I was doing qaida, and in 1 year I am doing, like, mashallah, I am Hifz. All the hard works, all the
Hardworking of Qari Sahib. Yes, exactly. Asadullah also says that when he joined the madrasa, he was only a student of Nazra, but now, alhamdulillah, he's doing Hifz, all because of the hard works of the Qari Sahib in this. What would be your message to the parents out there who want to admit their students, their children in madrasa?
My opinions to the other parents are that admit your children in this madrasa. The Qari Sahib are very good. They teach you, or not only Quran, they teach you ilm, the good ways of the world, bad ways of the world. They teach you about good people and bad people.
Yes, exactly.